Hey guys, what's up? This is the new JBL Go 3 by Harman Kardon. This has got the new 5.1 Bluetooth speaker. This is how it looks. This is the camouflage one, and let's open it. This is how it is. Yeah. So it won't be a depth review. I'm just gonna show you what is it inside, just to make you feel, is it good enough? Oh, it's nice. You got grips here, down. Just focus on the material. Yep. So it is. Yep. So what do we got? I'm not gonna open the manual. It's not required. Okay. We get the JBL. Hey, it's different. So you can connect it in both ways. For example, it's a standard 5-volt plug, and yeah, this side. Oh, this is the new one. I've got a power bank. Looks like either this way or turn it and connect it this way. Both way it charges the device. And we got a USB-C port for the Go 3. It has a really good quality, for this one. Yep. Yep. So that's it. Oh, we have a finger loop here. So what I feel is this is much better than the Go 2 because it has a more bass version of this one, because this has a more amount of bass. The table vibrates, but it's awesome. Yep. Just to avoid copyright, I'm not playing the music. That's the review. There's nothing much in this, I guess. Just the instruction manual. By the way, this is the best one. So what I say is, if you're gonna buy the best one. Sorry. Yeah. By the way, this gives 5 hours of charge. Waterproof, dustproof. Tech spec is, if you can read it. might fill your requirements. Hope you like this video, and I guess this is another one. I guess this is the warranty card. Oh yeah, they have the warranty in case you have any issues, not physical damage, but if they find any legal damage, they might claim it and can get you a new speaker. I don't think JBL needs, but according to your usage again, you drop it, maybe technical connectivity issues or something, then they will consider it, but otherwise they won't. So yeah, pretty wrapping up the whole thing. And I tried it before the opening of this, before unboxing. I tried this speaker and the quality is amazing. If you feel like buying, you should definitely buy it because this is worth the money. It has a really good quality texture and stuff. So what I feel is, if you are planning to buy a speaker and you want to be in a budget, you want to have a HomePod feeling or something, then you can go for this one because it gives a really good output and it is very good for the price. It has a really good quality, build quality. It's just awesome. How can I describe it? Just see it.